Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to enable Vibrate on Ring on your iPhone. And for this we need two things. The first thing is go to settings, search for vibration, and then click on that, and then make sure that you turn on the vibration option just like this. Then we go back and click on cancel, and we scroll down to sound and haptics. Then from here click on ringtone, and then right here in the top you can choose the haptics that you want to use. Now let's say we want a alert, or we want a heartbeat, or we want quick, or SOS, or rapid. You can choose whatever you want, but in most cases he was standing on none, so he was not vibrating when someone calls you. Now I want the default, so right now if you click here on default and we go back, when someone calls us, we will have a vibrate when our phone ring. So this is exactly how this works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and then for now, thanks for watching.